Planning your first trip from India to Bali? Then this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll cover everything you need to know before traveling to Bali, including visas, flights, hotels, transportation, currency, SIM cards, budget, and the best places to visit. Bali is often called the Island of Gods, and once you visit, you'll understand why. From stunning beaches and rice terraces to waterfalls, temples, luxury resorts, and vibrant cafes, Bali offers a perfect mix of adventure, relaxation, culture, and affordability. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple on honeymoon, or a family with kids, Bali has something for everyone. Let's start with flights. Bali's international airport is Ngurah Rai International Airport, located near Denpasar.
Book your flights early for the best deals.
We chose Thai Airways and had a layover in Bangkok for 4 hours.
For Indian travelers, you can apply for an easy e-visa in advance, no hassle on arrival.
So we were with the kids, तो बहुत ही आसानी से हमारा इमिग्रेशन हो गया. हमें मतलब I think we just took 5 minutes, 5 to 10 भी नहीं बोलूँगी मैं. We just took 5 to 7 minutes and हमारा इमिग्रेशन हो गया. And now we are here. सामान लेने के लिए बेल्ट पे खड़े हैं. तो मैं आप लोगों को बता देती हूँ कि आप सबको इमिग्रेशन के बाद, वीज़ा लेने के बाद ये अराइवल कार्ड भी लेना ज़रूरी है.
This currency is the Indonesian rupiah, but we exchanged in India better rates. We even used dollars. Plus, Neo Forex cards worked great there. The local SIM right at the airport. It's super
ये
convenient.
टेलकॉम सेल है जो सबसे बढ़िया इसका नेटवर्क है, हर जगह चल जाता है. तो वी वर बाइंग दिस.
Taxi and food? Use the Grab app, Bali's version of Uber or Ola. You can get taxis and order food. Super convenient.
This is the Grab lounge.
Either book क्लूज में ड्राइवर नहीं होता तो ग्रैब नहीं होता गोज है. तीनों आसपास ही हैं and they're the cheapest and the fastest.
Transportation. If you're solo or with friends, renting a bike is fun, but it gets hot. For family or comfort, taxis are affordable. Places to see.
Our Bali trip started from airport to Ubud, from Ubud to Giliti via Padang Bai port, and from Giliti back to Kuta and then Seminyak. If you are looking for the real Bali beyond the beaches, Ubud is where you should be. Surrounded by lush green rice terraces, tropical forest, luxury villas, waterfalls, and iconic Bali swings, Ubud offers the perfect blend of nature, adventure, and relaxation.
While Ubud captures Bali's soul, Kuta and Seminyak showcase its vibrant coastal charm. Kuta is famous for surfing, sunsets, and lively beaches.
कुता बीच है और यहाँ पर ब्यूटीफुल सनसेट होता है.
While Seminyak is known for luxury resorts, chic cafes, beach clubs, and world-class dining, together they offer the perfect beach escape in Bali. Gili Trawangan is a beautiful car-free island known for snorkeling, cycling, beach movie nights, and vibrant sunset.
तो ये हम गिली पहुँच गए हैं और ये गिली त्रवांगन का बीच है.
It's the perfect tropical escape for couples, families, and beach lovers. Nusa Penida is Bali's most famous day trip island, known for dramatic cliffs, crystal clear waters, and postcard perfect views that will leave you speechless. Nusa Penida is a day trip morning ferry, back by evening, but I recommend Giliti. Just 3 kilometers, no cars, just cycles and horse carts. It's a paradise by day, party by night, great for kids too. Snorkeling, beach movies, and fun.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for next Bali episode. Thank you and bye-bye.